In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PandaDoc. PandaDoc is a fantastic tool that allows you to create, send, and e-sign documents all from your mobile device. This app is incredibly useful whether you're on the go or simply prefer managing your documents from your phone. Now let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get PandaDoc on your device. First, you'll need to open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, you'll want to open the Google Play Store. For those with an iPhone or iPad, head over to the App Store. This is your starting point for downloading any app, so make sure you're connected to the internet. Once you've got your App Store open, it's time to search for PandaDoc. Simply type in PandaDoc in the search bar. You'll be looking for the official app called PandaDoc, eSign, and Track Docs. It's vital to download the official app to ensure you get the best experience and security. Now that you've found the app, let's move on to installing it. If you're on an Android device, tap the Install button. For iPhone or iPad users, tap Get. This action will start the download and installation process on your device. Installing the app gives you access to all its features, so be patient as it sets up. After the app has been installed, the next step is to open it. You can do this by tapping Open directly from the store. Alternatively, you can find it on your home screen and tap it there. Opening the app is your gateway to using all its powerful features. With the app now launched, you'll need to sign in or create an account. If you already have a PandaDoc account, simply log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Creating an account is straightforward and allows you to start using PandaDoc right away. This is important because having an account ensures all your documents are securely stored and easily accessible. By now, you should have the PandaDoc app fully set up on your device. This app is a game changer for handling documents efficiently. It eliminates the need for paper and allows you to manage everything digitally. Remember, whether you're creating new documents or signing existing ones, PandaDoc provides a seamless experience. As you start using the app, you'll find that it offers numerous features tailored to make document management easier. Keep in mind that regularly updating the app ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. Updates often include new tools and enhancements that can further improve your workflow. In summary, downloading and installing PandaDoc is a simple process that opens up a world of possibilities for managing documents on the go. Whether you're a business professional or just someone who needs to handle documents efficiently, PandaDoc is the perfect solution. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Enjoy using PandaDoc and have a great day.